In today's video, I'll show you how to change refresh rate on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and type in settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Just expand this. Then go to system. From system, go inside display. From display, make sure to choose the correct monitor. And then scroll down. Under related settings, you'll find advanced display options, which will contain display information as well as refresh rate. So just expand this. And after you do that, under here, display information, you'll see your display resolution and refresh rate. And if you want to change your refresh rate, it will say choose a refresh rate. You can change your refresh rate from here. As you can see, my monitor supports up to 144 Hz, so I can choose any of the below ones as well. So you can easily change your refresh rate from here. And basically that is it. And that is how to change refresh rate on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe